Welcome to your Midday Reset, a dedicated moment to pause, breathe deeply, and intentionally recalibrate your mind for renewed positivity. This brief interlude is designed to help you release any accumulated stress and refocus your energy for the remainder of your day. Let's begin by gently finding a comfortable and supportive position, whether you are seated or lying down. Allow your shoulders to softly relax away from your ears and feel your entire body settle into a state of ease and comfort. Now, take a slow, deep breath in, feeling your lungs fully expand with fresh air, and as you gently exhale, consciously release any tension or tightness you might be holding from the morning's activities. Let it all go with each outward breath. Bring your gentle awareness to the present moment, noticing the subtle sounds around you without judgment or attachment, simply observing them as they come and go. Allow yourself to be fully here, now, in this peaceful space. Consider just one positive thing that has happened today, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant it may seem, and allow that warm feeling of gratitude to gently fill your entire being. Cherish this moment of appreciation. Visualize a bright, calming light, perhaps a soft golden or gentle blue, entering your body with each inhale, cleansing and renewing your energy from within. Imagine it spreading warmth and tranquility throughout your system. As you slowly exhale, imagine any lingering stress, worries, or negativity gently dissolving and drifting away, leaving you feeling progressively lighter, more open, and deeply centered in your core being. Release what no longer serves you. Affirm to yourself with quiet conviction, I am calm, I am positive, and I am fully ready to embrace the rest of my day with a refreshed and renewed perspective. Repeat this affirmation silently to yourself a few times. Carry this profound feeling of peace, clarity, and positivity with you as you gently and gradually return your awareness to your immediate surroundings. Let this calm energy guide your next actions and thoughts. You are now completely reset, wonderfully refreshed, and fully ready to continue your day with a clear mind, an open heart, and an optimistic mindset. Embrace the possibilities that lie ahead with renewed vigor.